Deepak Mahokar Mohini, a stock trader, is sensitive about BSE's sensitive index's nickname, the Sensex. He says he owns the word and asserts to have coined the term in one of his articles way back in 1989. However, the Bombay Stock Exchange, or the BSE, had applied for a trademark for the same name in December 2006. Now, just 3 weeks ago, Mohini filed a case against the BSE in a Pune court, claiming exclusive rights to the name and asking BSE to withdraw its trademark application.
Until 1995, as far as I know, the BSE didn't use the term at all. Their publications, because they are there in the library, it's easy to check. They don't carry the term Sensex in them at all till 1995 or so. Once I found out that they had tried to register a trademark on a term they had not coined, that's the point of time at which we also filed for a trademark, and after which they gave me a notice saying that I should withdraw my registration claim, and that's why I finally went to the court with a case against them.
Mohini maintains that the word Bombay Sensitive Index was clumsy and long, and that's why he hit upon the idea of inventing the word Sensex. In fact, he even started using it regularly in his reports and periodicals. His petition to the court claims Mohini, in the course of using the said term, was widely acclaimed and recognized as the inventor of the word Sensex.
In respect of trademark, registration comes second under the law. The prior use of a trademark gives that user superior rights, even against a registered proprietor who didn't use the trademark.
But there's a twist in the tale. BSE claims to have started using the Sensex way back in 1986 to denote an index calculated on the market capitalization weighted methodology of 30 stocks. It also claims to have registered the trademark in the US. But Mohini says he does not have a problem with anyone else using the name as long as no one claims exclusive rights to it. So amidst all the volatility, the Sensex is swinging to its ups and downs in the true sense. In Mumbai, Pooja Meswani.